Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video I show you how to separate vertices in Blender. Let's start our video. We have this cube and you want to separate a vertex from this cube. Go to edit mode and select the select mode vertex. While selecting the cube, at the left we will find some options. Select the rip region. Return back to our cube and select the vertex that you want to separate and move. And here it is separated from the cube. Also, we can do this for a side of the cube. Go to select mode edge and select the edge that you want to separate it. While you are at the rib region, move the edge and here it is separated from the cube. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.